Good morning everyone, welcome to another session of EURUSD trade setup. Today's video we'll look at how the EURUSD trading and what is our trade we could take for EURUSD today. As usual, before looking at the chart, let's look at the economic calendar first and then come back here. So yesterday there was a bit of high priority news coming up from US, as well as today is a very important day. We're having this FOMC meeting and a rate hike by the US Fed as well. So yesterday the USD was getting stronger, but once we got this JOLTS job opening as lower than the expected one, the USD turned around and started going up from this 1.094 region, 945 region. So from there you can see obviously it went up roughly 100 pips. So that was one of the important news that actually turned the entire EURUSD from going short to long. And today, as I said, there are a couple of other news is coming up from US as well. So ADP non-farm employment obviously came higher than expected. So that's a good thing for US. And even though there was a bit of downward push for the USD, many players are actually buying USD. So there's a pullback from the place it came down to 1.102. And looking at further news for today, we got the service PMI that's 53.7 as forecast, higher than the previous month. So that's a good thing for USD, as well as so ISM non-farm PMI. Even this one has been given as higher than the previous month. But generally, anything above 50 would consider it as to be a good thing for USD. So apart from that, later in the day around 2 o'clock, we have this interest rate decision coming up from Fed, and the expectation is 25 basis point increase. But if they would increase by 50 basis points, that'd be a big surprise. Or if they don't raise it and interest rate as well, that will be a big surprise for the EURUSD movement. So coming back to the chart, so there was an turnaround of the EURUSD, as I said, because of JOLTS job opening. And when it was just going down at 1.095 region, it took a turn and then it started going up higher and higher. So I said when the EURUSD was trading somewhere here 1.9596 region, I said wait for 15 pips to go up. So obviously it did go up, and then and I asked to short the EURUSD trade, and it went until at least 30 pips. So I believe made some good profits on it. And for today, we will look at how things are progressing on EURUSD. So looking at EURUSD, it obviously on Monday it broke the rising trend line, retested, and then it was coming down. And now it was trying to break the rising trend line, and it broke, retested, and it's going up higher and higher, as you can see. So there was one more resistance that was at 1.0, 1.02, and even that one you can see it broke, retested, and it's going up higher and higher and higher. So as of now, the next resistance I would say is 1.075, and you can just go long from where the EURUSD is trading. And just before the interest rate decision, I would say close off your trades. So trading when big news comes in, it'll be a gamble if you ask me. So all the technical things will be broken when there is a volatile movement after the news comes and the high priority news comes in. So that's the trade setup for now. Go long from where it's trading now currently, or it would have been a good trade if it had gone long from 1.102 where it pulled down and it's actually going up from that position. So even now it looks like a very juicy position to take a long position. So take the long position, and just before the Fed meeting, close off your trades. Don't wait until the interest decision comes by. So that's for the trade today, and trade safe, and don't over leverage your capital, and hopefully you will make good profits today. And we'll meet again in the next EURUSD setup tomorrow. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe to the channel, and also please give a thumbs up. And thanks everyone. See you.